In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently find Microsoft Excel files within your Gmail account. This skill can really enhance your email management, especially if you frequently deal with spreadsheets. So, let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to Gmail. Now, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. It's always a good idea to use the account where you receive most of your work or related Excel files to streamline the search process. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens. Gmail offers a powerful search functionality that can help you locate emails by specific criteria. In this case, let's use the search term file name by XLSX. This instructs Gmail to filter your emails and show only those that contain Excel spreadsheet attachments, as files with the .xlsx extension are standard for Microsoft Excel. After typing filename.xlsx, hit Enter. You should now see a list of emails that have Excel attachments. It's important to remember that this method will find emails that might also have other file types attached, but only those with .xlsx files will be included. This makes your search much more efficient and focused. If your list is extensive and you need to narrow it down further, you can refine your search by combining the file name search with other keywords, such as a specific project name or sender's email. For example, typing file name XLSX project will show emails with Excel attachments related to your project. Additionally, if you want to search within a specific time frame, you can add date filters to your search string. For instance, try file name XALSX before 2023-01/01 or file name XILSX after 2022-12/01 to view files from a particular period. This is particularly useful when you know the time frame in which a specific file was shared with you. Once you find the email you need with the desired Excel file, open it and you can either download the attachment to your device or add it to Google Drive directly from Gmail. This way, you can view and manage the file as needed. Remember, efficient email management is key to productivity. Taking a few minutes to search effectively can save you hours in the long run. By practicing these techniques, you'll become more adept in no time. Keep exploring additional Gmail features to further streamline your workflow and make the most out of this versatile platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Happy organizing!